Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's collab, through our Facebook group, we are doing the theme of Valentine's Day. February 14th is almost here, and I of course had to join into this week's collab because I'm not really sure if I will have time to do any other Valentine's Day themed manicures. So I thought this will be perfect to at least show some love on my nails. Anyways, if you do enjoy nail art tutorial videos and you like my final manicure, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels, then welcome. I hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. For my base, I will be using a polish from Moonshine Mani that was sent to me as PR and will be releasing this week as well. Yeah, I will leave everything that I can for you in the description box, including all the video links for the other tutorials that were created for today's collab, and at the end of my video you will also find all the pictures. As always, if you do have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. But I think that's it for this quick intro. Happy Valentine's Day if you are celebrating this day. Just keep on watching the nail art tutorial portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's